Hello, boys and girls. We're going to be reading Benches, and this is in our Journeys, Unit 6, Grade 1, Decodable Reader. This is our fourth selection for Lesson 28 for grade level text. Interestingly, we've been talking about IE spelling the I all week, but in this story, they are going to spell it IES. It's going to be the spelling for the E's sound. Let's just go ahead and read these words. Cities, buddies, puppies, funnies. Let's do it again. Cities, buddies, puppies, funnies. So don't get confused. IE in this story spells E. Okay, boys and girls. So, you know what? Let's just go ahead and read these words, and then we don't even have to read it twice today, okay? So, ES spells S. It's a word part that you put at the end of nouns to make it mean more than one, okay? So, this says benches, benches, benches. Hey, that's the name of our story, benches. Beaches, places, couches, leashes, lunch boxes, lunch boxes. Okay, well that's a lot of words. Let's just go ahead and read it together, shall we? Let's go ahead and read it together. So let's just look at the pictures first. That's going to help us. So what's the story about benches? So let's look here. There's benches there, benches there. Have you guys seen benches before? Where do you see them at? I see one at our bus stop in town. Where else do you see them at? Kern Transit sometimes has benches at its bus stops. Oh, here's some benches at the beach. Okay, so we got to see a whole bunch of benches. Let's see if we can learn anything about benches. All right, are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, so keep your motors running the whole time that we're reading this. I will go ahead and point at the words and you can track them with your eyes. Okay, you know what that says. What does it say? Benches, 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 benches. See them in cities, see them in towns, see them in parks, see them at beaches. Benches, benches. Oh, so this page told us where we could see them in towns, in parks, in cities, at beaches. Benches are like outside couches. They are good places to sit. Kids sit on benches in yards and parks. Buddies can sit side by side and chat. And it's showing some buddies. So it says that benches are like outside couches, but couches are made of material, and if they go outside, they'll get ruined, they'll start smelling musty. But benches don't have any fabric on them or that foam. So anyway, they're better for outside. Okay, let's keep on reading. Dogs and puppies go out on leashes. Okay, let's see. There's the leash. You know how you stick the collar around their neck and you attach a leash to it and you take them on walks? So dogs and puppies go out on leashes. Grown-ups, kids, and pets sit on benches. Benches are good for sitting and resting. Hmm, looks like they're eating their lunch there. Kids eat lunch on benches. Have you guys ever done that? Many kids have lunch boxes, like this one. When lunchtime is over, the kids might sit and rest on benches. Then they might play ball or jump rope. Kids read books on benches. Kids read the funnies and comics too. Kids read on benches when it is sunny and bright. When it rains, benches are not good places for reading. I think they're just trying to let you know that there are lots of benches when you go to a school campus, when you go out onto the play yard, or under the awnings in front of the classrooms, there will be benches and you can read and they don't, well, I think they make you eat all of the food in the cafeteria. So they don't allow you unless it's like a special class party to eat your snacks on the benches anymore. Kids play games on benches. Some kids are winners. Some kids don't win. Still, kids like playing games outside. Moms, dads, and kids sit on benches at beaches. This dad likes to watch the sea flow in and out. What a sight! Well, that's nice to have benches over there. That way they don't have to bring any of their own lawn chairs to sit at the beach on. Benches for you and benches for me on city streets or at the sea. I should sit and you should too on benches at parks or at the zoo. Okay, boys and girls. Hope you learned to read something from that story. Bye-bye.